Netflix. On this video, we're gonna take a look at this Android TV box for movies, games, and music. So you've got a browser on your computer. Why do you need one? So you can watch movies from the internet for free on your regular TV that's not smart. This is an Android TV box that you connect to your regular TV, and it allows you to essentially simplify your watching experience. So this is basically like a little mini computer. TT TV box and user manual. Okay, so yep, we've got all those things. Oh, there's an optical cable. Where's the optical? Ethernet. No, this model does not actually have the optical cable. Yeah, this is just a different model, I suppose. But it's wireless, so you don't necessarily need to obviously connect the Ethernet. So this essentially turns your TV into a smart TV. You have your SD card reader. You've got 2 USB ports, so you can plug in external hard drives, keyboard, whatever you want. It also has Bluetooth, so you can connect the keyboard, and wireless 5G network. Now this box is a quad-core little mini computer. It's got 4 gigs of RAM and 32 gigs of ROM. So that's how much files you can essentially stick on here. But like I said, you do have the ability to put your little mini card in there. Now the back, there's an AC port, Ethernet port, HDMI port, and an AV cable out, which is optional. So you can connect to your RGB as well, or RCA, I believe. Of course, you need to have an awesome remote, because otherwise you may as well just use your phone. Now, why would you need this? Well, you have your phone in your hand pretty much most of the time. So even if you want to stream a movie or go Netflix or one of those torrent websites, it makes it easier to have something like this ready to go instead of pulling out your phone. The remote does not have batteries, unfortunately, and it takes 2 AAAs. You got your power, so you can control obviously different things. Volume 1, volume 2, fast forward. So here's your AC adapter and your HDMI port to connect to your TV. So we're just restarting NinkBox. Alright, so we've got YouTube, Netflix file for your SD cards Play Store. So it's essentially like a phone on your screen, which also means that you can install APK apps, which is great. So let's go on YouTube. Can't connect, alright, so let's open our network settings. So just like a tablet, you need to configure your internet. So we're using Wi-Fi. Okay. Alright, so as you can see, it shows a preview of the video within the app. So that's good. It shows you some tips about the remote. Let's see what we get. Okay. Let's play a video and see if it lags and how long it takes to play. No lag, it seems fine. Let's try fast forwarding it. Let's exit out of here. Now you can hook up your mouse and your keyboard to this as well. So you gotta fast forward essentially with the scrubber here. Okay, let's go to our apps and see if we can install some extra things here. So you've got a browser on your computer. The only issue is that you're probably going to want to get yourself like a keyboard, mouse, remote setup. They're about 15-20 bucks, and then that way you have the internet through the TV box on your screen as well. So that is a pretty big plus. Let's see what else we can get. Netflix. And we're gonna try and load up an APK that we've manually added on SD card. So we are installing a Viva TV, which is a movie streaming app that you can get on your phone. So let's see if that works. Okay, so we have to override our settings. Now let's open. Well, it's actually supposed to be called Nova TV, but let's try and see if this works. Alright, so we're gonna update. That appears to be working. This TV box is, I got this for, I think on sale for 60 bucks. Yes, every time you want to upgrade, you need to essentially allow it. Like that. Then we go back. Again, I'm using the remote to do all this. And the TV box is right over there. And I think it's working. I'm going to leave the links in the description for the cables. And the box. I don't know if it's stuck or if it's installing. But you can definitely install apps from your SD card. Let's try canceling this. Okay, so there's something up with the top carousel there. Let's try let's just try playing anything. This is kind of like an imitation of Netflix, I think. I think that I need to correct the ratio on this TV because it's not correct without actually downloading it on your computer. I think it's working. Probably hear that. Let me turn up the volume. I think it's working though. Whoopsie, I chose the wrong input here. Looks like it's working. All right, so there you have it. It works. This is 28 days later. It's streaming from this NinkBox. Yeah, it works.